Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT Porsche 911 Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition. Yes, this is in a different livery and yeah, kind of limited edition, but yeah, it says cherry red right there on the top right there, and yeah, basically there's the car right there. The box is in this sort of like red color, and yeah, number 461, and basically at the back you have this if you want it right there, and then you have the Porsche licensing and TSM model. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So actually I've done a review of this car but in a different color and basically no livery, the white version that I've done last year in one of my Mini GT reviews. So yeah, you can go check that out, that one out, or else stay here as I'm about to show you the Heritage Edition, which to be honest just looks sick. I love the fact that the color that they've chosen was too good. Like the fact that they've taken the cherry red color just suits the whole car. I bet if it's not cherry red it would be black, but still, even though if it were to be black, cherry red would still win. Like this is just amazing. I think this is like very cool. It's in this heritage design. Basically this is more of like the sport racing type of design, which I do kind of like. Porsche sometimes like to do these type of designs, like they would add like a big racing number on the side and then it says Porsche, and there are a bit of stripes here and there, but still I love the color that they've picked here. And there is something quite interesting that they've done in the interior that I will show you later. And yeah, let's go ahead and check the car out now. So yeah, here it is in this cherry red. I love the color here. And basically they've taken the 5 spokes that Porsche actually used, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. They did kind of use these rims, if I'm not mistaken, which are pretty cool. And it says number 50 right there, quite big on the door. It says number 50 as the racing number. Then you have this massive stretched out Porsche text on the side with a bit of a stripe right there, which is pretty cool. And then moving on to the front just looks so clean. You have the headlights right there, and then you have the front, which is pretty cool. The front end, I love it. Small Porsche logo right there, and a bit of some stripe right there, which is kind of cool. And yeah, basically you can see that the interior is in white, but the dashboard is in red, which I'm gonna talk about here. If you look closely into the interior, I might not seen this in the white version of the Targa 4S review that I've done previously, but if you look at the interior closely, it is fully detailed. The whole dash and the speedometer area is fully detailed. You even have the Porsche logo on the steering wheel, which is interestingly enough pretty cool. You even have some extra details at the like center console right there, which is kind of cool. I do love that. And the white interior just looks incredible, especially the seats right there. This is a 4-seater after all, and it's more of like the cabriolet. So yeah, you have the open roof basically, which is just so cool. I love the extra detail inside right there. And then moving on to the back, you have the rear lights right there, Porsche Targa 4S. And then you have the quad exhaust pipes at the bottom right there, which I do kind of love. I don't see any diffusers or anything. Overall, just such a clean and nice car. Let's see. Mini GT, made in China. overall, if you were to buy a Mini GT, I highly recommend this car. Please go ahead and buy this if you do have a chance to buy it. It's just super highly detailed. Like, first of all, you basically get like the racing livery on the car, which I do love, and I know many of you do as well. Maybe some Porsche fans will love this. Second of all, you have detailed interior, which you can actually see from your eye view, basically, because obviously of the cabriolet, and another thing is it doesn't have the roof, so basically you can kind of see the interior, obviously, which is fully detailed. I love the white seats and the white interior and whatnot. The overall dash is in that red color, which I do kind of love, and then just everything in this car is just perfectly done and perfectly made. Once again, it's a very nice car. Go ahead and get it while you can. So yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Porsche Targa 4S Heritage Edition in this awesome looking cherry red. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.